Hey, good morning, everybody. So I went and did a thing. I went and looked at a property for potential shop, and check out the views here. So special thank you to Amy, who actually showed the property. She's the listing agent for the property. She was awesome. So it turns out this property already was used as a automotive repair shop for part of its life. The other part is a storage area, which I need storage. I also need a shop. This kind of checks both boxes. What do you guys think of the building, the area? It's got a few acres behind the shop, which I think are going to be perfect for some of these big projects that we're working on, to test drive them and stuff like that. I was thinking maybe we could put a little course in the back. If you want to follow along with our journey to see if I go through with purchasing the shop, please subscribe. If you want to help the channel, there's a link below to our Shopify. And then let me know if you guys are interested in actually throwing some cash at this shop. I was thinking maybe of putting plaques up of people who, I don't know, just want to get involved with the Good Morning Mechanic. Just have a wall just for people who have either donated money or purchased wall space to go up in the shop. And yeah, let me know if you'd be interested in that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being part of our team. As always, have a good morning.